One of the fundamental widget is Container. It is very similar to a div in web development. This is a widget that allows us to position other widgets and size other widgets. Let's add a container widget. The background color of the scaffold is white. Now we see white color background. Let the background color be red. Let us give color white to the container. As total white. That is, if there are no child widgets in the container, it will take up maximum space. Let's try adding a widget to a container. Child text widget. Now the size of the container is small. Press Option or Alt plus Enter. Select Wrap with Widget. Change the widget and make it a safe area. Containers with children size themselves to their children's size. Safe area. Once the wrap is done with a widget called Safe Area, it will be visible. OK is now visible. Now let us give the width and height. Height 100. Width 100. Now let us align with the margin. Edge insets. All. Value 20. All sides will have a margin of 20 pixels. Another function like that is symmetric. We can give vertical and horizontal value. Horizontal 100. Vertical 50. You can see that it is aligned like this. Let us give another function from LTRB in which we can give left top right bottom values. 30, 10, 50, 20. It's margin aligned. Only the desired side can be aligned using the only function. Only left 50 pixels. Now let us see how to align the child inside the container. Padding can be used as it is used for div. Padding. Edge insets. Edge insets can also be used here. All. Value 20. Can be seen to be aligned. When you look at the comment, the text appears on the side. Padding is used to align the widget inside the container.